Khasada once again. You can see people here taking snaps and enjoying having merriment. What is life without a little break? And what is life without a little water, an open air, and ample jungles by the side? This is Waterfall Khasada in Ganjam district, Orissa. Waterfall Khasada in Ganjam district, where boys fall in love with girls and girls fall into the arms of boys. This place is so beautiful that it attracts a lot of lovers, the romantic couples who come here for a quick weekend again and again, falling in love with the nature, falling into nature's lap abundantly, cascadingly, and lovingly.